In this video, we'll be revealing 5 beautiful places to visit in Portugal. 1. Lisbon. The vibrant capital city of Lisbon offers a blend of traditional and modern attractions. Visitors can explore historic neighborhoods like Alfama, with its narrow streets and fado music, and marvel at landmarks such as Belém Tower and Jerónimos Monastery. The city's trams, viewpoints, and lively nightlife add to its charm. 2. Porto, known for its port wine, boasts a picturesque riverside district called Ribeira. The city is filled with charming streets and historic sites, including the stunning Dom Luís Brisa Bridge and the beautiful Livraria Lelo bookstore. Porto's vibrant cultural scene, cozy cafes, and riverside views make it a captivating destination. 3. Sintra is a fairy tale town nestled in the hills near Lisbon, renowned for its enchanting palaces and lush gardens. Visitors can explore the colorful Pena Palace, the mystical Quinta da Regaleira with its hidden tunnels and grottos, and the ancient Moorish castle. Sintra's romantic atmosphere and scenic beauty make it a magical place to visit. 4. Algarve. The Algarve region is famous for its stunning coastline, golden beaches, and dramatic cliffs. Popular destinations include Lagos, known for its historic center and scenic coves, and Albufeira, with its vibrant nightlife. The breathtaking Benadil Cave, accessible by boat or kayak, is a must-see natural wonder in the sun-soaked region. 5. Madeira, an island paradise in the Atlantic, offers lush landscapes, rugged mountains, and beautiful coastal views. The capital, Funchal, features charming streets, botanical gardens, and the lively Mercado dos Lavradores. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the Lara Silva forest, hike along Levadas, and enjoy the island's mild climate and rich natural beauty. These 5 places offer immersive experiences, weaving history, nature, and culture into the fabric of unforgettable journeys.